It started with something completely ordinary when a man suddenly sneezed and felt a sharp pain in his chest that wouldn't go away. You see, a powerful sneeze can cause a sudden spike in pressure inside the chest, briefly straining the heart and blood vessels. In most people, this is harmless, but in someone with severe hidden coronary artery disease, that sudden force can rupture an unstable plaque inside a heart artery. When a blood clot forms at that exact moment, it can instantly block blood flow to the heart muscle, triggering a heart attack. The sneeze didn't cause the disease, but it became the final stress that exposed a life-threatening condition no one knew was there.